Hello, today we will guide you through how to search code in GitLab. In this walkthrough, you'll learn a quick and simple way to look for code directly within GitLab using the search bar at the top of the page. This is helpful when you want to find a specific word, function name, variable, or any other piece of text across your work without manually opening files one by one. To begin, go to the GitLab homepage. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're in the main GitLab interface and ready to navigate. Starting from the homepage is useful because it gives you access to the global search feature, which is easy to reach from the top of the screen. Next, move your attention to the top area of the page and click on the field labeled Search or Go To. This search bar is designed to help you quickly find projects, files, issues, and code. Clicking into it activates the search input so you can begin typing right away. If you use GitLab often, this is one of the fastest tools for finding what you need. Now enter the sample word you want to search for. This can be any keyword related to the code you're trying to locate. For example, you might type part of a function name, a class, a configuration term, or a specific string you remember seeing in a file. Try to spell the term carefully, since more accurate search terms usually lead to better results. If your term is very broad, you may see more matches, so using a more specific word can help narrow things down. After typing your search term, press Enter on your keyboard. GitLab will then run the search and display the results. From there, you can review the matches and open the one that looks most relevant. If the results are not what you expected, you can always go back, adjust the search word, and try again with a more precise term. That's all there is to it. Searching code in GitLab is a fast way to save time and move through large projects more efficiently. Once you get used to using the top search bar, it becomes much easier to track down code references and find the exact text you need.